So, while I decided to clean my bathtub, I thought, I will do a little bit more thorough of a clean, and I will clean behind where you turn on the water, behind that knob and the plate for the knob. What do you think I found in there amongst this insulation? Well, first thing I see is a little butt of a little mouse. So, never thought I'd be finding a dead mouse behind there. Interesting. You might want to check out behind what's going on behind your plate in your bathtub. Whoa, a mouse in the house.